morning to all of us. Thank you for the time given to our group to present our final project. And in this final project assignment, we will explain all the material that we have summarized, starting from the first module to the third module. So we are the 10th group, and our lecturer is Mner Salaki Reynaldo Joshua, SPD MSc, and the member of group 10 is Wiron Parang, Manggala Yuda, Raymond Goring, and Joshua Rumopa. So in this topic is definition of software. Software is a specific term for digitally formatted and stored data, including computers, programs, their documentation, and various information that computer can write and read. And software example is Unity. Unity is an application that is used to develop multi-platform games that are designed to be easy to use. Unity is nice and full of mixed bits with professional apps. Editor in Unity is made with a simple user interface. So some features in Unity software is rendering, the next asset tracking, platforms, asset store, and physics.
Advantage of Unity: free, no need to pay. Enough with the free version of Unity or personal edition, then we can create GameWorks. Next, cross-platform, meaning that game projects can be released to various well-known platforms. Next, the UI offer is quite user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners. Second, disadvantage of Unity: needs a rather complicated adjustment when you want to develop 2D games without the play of plugins. Next, needs adjustment following components base style. Next, cache memory is used quite a lot. The next section is guide on how to install Unity. The first step, go to Unity download page and click download installer for Windows. The file should be downloaded to your downloads folder. The second step, open the download installer. You will see a screen like this, then press next. The third step, check the box to accept the license and terms, then click next. The fourth step, select the components you would like to be installed with Unity and click next. If you ever want to change the components, you can rerun the installer. The fifth step, you can change where you want Unity installed or leave the default option and click next. The sixth step, depending on the components you select, you may see additional prompts before installing. Follow the prompts and click install. Installing Unity may take some time. After the installation is finished, Unity will be installed on your computer. The next section is complaint management of Unity software. For example, this is the classification of complaint, and this is the letter of complaint, and this a picture of complaint letter and customer support.
Understanding of hardware. Hardware is a collection of physical components that make up a computer device, or in other languages, hardware is a computer or electronic component that has a physical form, can be held, and is associated with a computer system. The second one is function of hardware. Hardware functions to make it easier for computer users to work, or with complete hardware, the computer system can run well. Its function is in accordance with the type of existing hardware. So for that, below will be explained examples of hardware and their respective functions. Hardware example. The hardware that we chose as our hardware example for our presentation is the Intel Alder Lake 12th Gen processor. 12th generation Intel Core processor, codenamed Alder Lake S series and H series at CES 2022. This is the first processor family to be upgraded with an architecture for hybrid performance that combines performance, efficient core, and Intel Thread.
Advantage of Intel processor. Some types of Intel processor have high clock speeds and are equivalent to or higher than some AMD processor and already using or combining cores. Disadvantage of Intel processor prices are more expensive and limited market scope. Guide on how to install processors. Step 1. For Intel CPUs, push down on the metal arm next to the socket. Pull it slightly away from the socket, then lift it up. This will let you lift up the metal frame covering the empty socket. Step 2. If you are using a brand new MOBO, don't forget to remove the black plastic socket cover. And Step 3 and Step 4. The next is complaint management of Intel 12 Alder Lake processor. For the example, the classification of complaint, OS processor, Intel 12 Gen Alder Lake hardware does not start automatically with Windows 11. The left side is the letter of complaint and the right side is the customer support. Thank you.